Challenge 10. Write a method that takes the voltage and current intensity of an electrical device and displays its power only if it's less than 5000 watts. Otherwise, it returns 0. So we have voltage and current. So int res result is voltage times current and semicolon, and return if res is less than 5000, return res, and else return 0. So test console.writeLine challenge. So for example 2230 and 10, and copy and paste and copy and paste. So for example 500, 400 and 900. So run, and we have 2300 and 4300, and we have 0 because this is greater than 5000.